Llanfair pwll gwyngych go gerwch wy'n brobwyll Sant Seilio go go goch.
No.
No, she can't. Go. Hei pawb, gobeithio bod chi gyd yn iawn. Mae fideo heddiw yma yn un reit sbesial. Mae gen i nid yn unig un, dim dau, ond 4 gwestai arbennig i chi. Da ni gyd yn teithio hefo'n gilydd a amgylch Prydain ar y ddyn sioe, a heddiw yma dwi am ddysgu bach o Gymraeg gyda nhw. Ond cyn i fi fynd ymlaen hefo gweddill y fideo, cofiwch i hoffi, rhannu a tanysgrifio i Label Deg. A mwynhewch gweddill y fideo.
Helo pawb!
Felly, hefo fi heddiw yma ydy 4 aelod o'r cast. Mae gynddyn ni...
Bonjour, I'm Lucas.
Ciao, I'm Gyda. Diegwyll, I'm Aisha-may.
Hi, I'm Joe.
Fantastic everyone, fantastic. Felly, dwi wedi yn barod egluro i hein be fydd y gêm, ond yn sydyn dwi am holi ambell gwestiwn amdan Cymru bach, amdan yr iaith, amdan ein diwydiant ni, a gobeithio cael fymryn o hwyl ar y ffordd. Okay, Joe, cwestiwn rhif 1, question number 1.
Okay.
What are the 3 colours on the Welsh flag?
Okay.
So, do you remember which animal?
I mean, yeah, so the dragon is on the Welsh flag, so I know there's green in it, and I want to say it's red, white, and green.
Correct.
Yes!
Question rhif 2, question number 2 is for Ash. So, we have been talking about this, and ni wedi bod yn siarad am hwn. How many L's does it take to make the sound?
2.
Correct. Die on T, Ash. So there's a bonus question. If you can give me an example of a place that starts with... Question rhif 3 i'r hogia for the boys. One of the following towns/villages is not a real name. Okay, but I need you to guess which one.
Okay.
So the first is Dimbych.
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 Number 2 is Rhechwynt.
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 Or number 3 is Llanrwst.
Llanrwst.
Llanrwst. So
hard.
we've got Dimbych.
Well, we know that one is real because that's your home village. Attention.
Wow, okay.
Oh, okay.
So Dimbych, Rhechwynt,
Rhechwynt
or Llanrwst.
or Llanrwst.
Llanrwst sounds big.
Llanrwst could be big.
Do you think
I
Llanrwst?
think Llanrwst.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're incorrect. So, if I was to say the word dawnsio, what do you think that means? Dawnsio. Dawnsio. Dawnsio.
Oh, I know this.
Correct! So dawnsio means to dance. But you said dancer, which is correct. Because you're around. Question rhif 5 i Lucas. Do you remember us talking about the festival that happens in Wales each year? Do you remember this talk?
I do, yeah.
Okay. The singing, dancing, poetry festival.
Yes.
Now I'm going to ask you, what was it called?
Okay.
So it can either be called the Sefyllfod, the Gorweddfod, or the Eisteddfod. We had a long talk about this, and I did tell you several times.
Yes. You did say it a lot.
Come on, Lucas.
So the Sefyllfod, the Gorweddfod, or the Eisteddfod.
I think Eisteddfod.
Hogia.
Hogia.
We've all talked about the Welsh community in Patagonia. We've established that, haven't we?
Yes.
Do you remember the name of the boat that they travelled on?
I think we remember.
Mimosa.
Okay.
Is Llanfair pwll gwyngych go gerwch wy'n brobwyll Sant Seilio go go goch the longest place name in Europe?
Please say it again.
Okay, I'm going to say it one more time. It's definitely the longest place name in Wales, but
Yeah.
But let's see. Is Llanfair pwll gwyngych go gerwch wy'n brobwyll Sant Seilio go go goch the longest
my
place name in Europe?
It has to be.
It has to be. She's right.
She's right.
She is. Yeah.
Now for a bonus point, you have to say it.
Go on, try.
Will you say it again and I'll try and repeat that too?
Llanfair pwll Gwyliwch.
Oh, no, you have to say it all in one
Oh,
go.
Okay, yeah, go.
Llanfair pwll Gwyliwch go gerwch o'r drofr Sant Seilio go go go.
No.
No, she can't.
Go.
Is Cymru the Welsh name for Wales? True or false? Cymru. Cymru.
Perhaps it does mean Wales in Welsh.
Oh my god, I'm so stressed for you.
I'm gonna say false.
Even after that?
But I thought you were egging me on to say false.
No, it's true. Gret, mae'r ddau tîm wedi gwneud mor dda a dwi'n gobeithio bod nhw wedi cael fymryn o fewnwelediad I Gymru am diwylliant ni a'n iaith ni. In Wales, to say hello, we tend to say siwmai.
Siwmai.
So on the street,
Easy one.
easy one. So in the street in Llandudno or Cardiff, if you see somebody, you could go, hey, siwmai.
Siwmai.
Fantastic. To say welcome, we say croeso.
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 Well done. Croeso. Okay, so the next one is quite a difficult one. Mae'r un nesaf ma fymryn yn anodd. We're going to say enjoy the show. Okay, so the first word is enjoy, which is mwynhewch.
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 The second word is and the third word is sioe.
Show you.
Fantastic, Lucas.
Thank you.
Mwynhewch y sioe.
Mwynhewch y sioe.
Fantastic. And then lastly, to say thank you, we say diolch.
Diolch.
So I want to say a big diolch to you guys for helping me with this video. Gobeithio bod chi wedi mwynhau adre a na i weld chi gyd yn y fideo nesaf. Ta-ra, bawb!
Ta-ra!